Hi friends, good evening. This is Dr. Harinath Reddy, Director, Shankarana Study Circle. Today in this particular video, as part of government budgeting in the state of Andhra Pradesh, this is one of the chapters in economy paper in APPSC Group 1 main syllabus. In that, we will discuss about the resource flows from the center to the states. In the earlier video, we did discuss that government of Andhra Pradesh is getting more than 50,000 crores as revenue from both tax and non-tax sources on its own. So in addition to the own tax and non-tax revenues, government of Andhra Pradesh will also be getting revenues from the central government. Again, they can be of two types: those which are based on the recommendations of the Finance Commission, those which are given by the central government on its own. So if you see the composition, in 2017-18, the total resource flow, revenue flow from the center to the states, 51,249 crores. 51,249 crores. In 2018-19, it is 53,000 crores. In 2019-20, revised estimates, it is 50,000 crores, roughly 51,000 crores. And here, out of this 50,957 crores, the revenues which are coming to the state of Andhra Pradesh through the Finance Commission, it is around 34,676 crores. In the 2019-20 revised estimates, the money which the central government gives to the state governments through the recommendations of the Finance Commission is 34,676 crores. But in the 2018-19 economic year, it was 39,248 crores. 2017-18, 35,638 crores. So we see a decline from 18-19 when compared to 2020. From 18-19 to 2019-20, there was a decline. So the total money which the government of Andhra Pradesh got from the center through Finance Commission is 34,676 crores. 34,676 crores. Again, this is divided into two components. The share of the state government in the net tax revenues of the central government is 28,224 crores. 28,224 crores. So this is the share which the state government has got from the net tax revenues of the central government. In addition to a share in the net tax revenues of the central government, Finance Commission also recommends a number of grants, like a grant which is meant for addressing revenue deficit, grant which is meant for dealing with the disaster management, grant which is meant for supporting the local governments. So from the central government, on the recommendations of the Finance Commission of India for the year 2019-20, government of Andhra Pradesh has got money in the form of grants on the recommendations of the Finance Commission to an extent of 6,452 crores. This is in 2019-20 revised estimates, 6,452 crores. If you take 18-19, it is 6,357, almost near. 17-18 it is bit high, 6,963 crores. And in addition, I told you, the central government also gives grants to the state governments on its own, even without the recommendations of the Finance Commission. So that it amounts to 15,424 crores. So in the year 2019-20 revised estimates, the state of Andhra Pradesh has got money from the center in the form of grant which is given by the central government on its own without the recommendations of the Finance Commission. This is 15,424 crores. If you see it in 2018-19, it was 12,904 crores. In 2017-18, it was 15,786 crores. So grants in aid from Government of India, including central assistance to state plans, and then externally aided projects. Under this, the state government also got money from the central government, that is 2,030 crores. In the year 2019-20, as per revised estimates, the central government gave 2,030 crores to the state government. And this is again divided into two categories: externally aided projects, funding for externally aided projects, two categories, grant, loan. So this 2030 crores which was given by the center to the state government was not given in the form of grant, but it was given in the form of a loan. What is the advantage? What are the disadvantages? If the center gives money to the state, any state, in the form of a grant, the state doesn't need to pay it back. If the money is given by the center to the state in the form of loan, that has to be paid back with interest by the state government. It will be a liability and burden to the state government. And then the other component under resource flow from the center to the states is small savings, net small savings. And this is in negative terms, 1173 crores. So net small savings is 1173 crores. So the total resource flow from the center to the states for the year 2019-20 as per revised estimates, it is around 50,957 crores. So students must be very careful. If you make a comparison between the resource flow which the state government gets from a central government, it is 50,000 crores. You can see here around 51,000 crores. So 51,000 crores is the money which government of Andhra Pradesh got from the central government. But if you see the own tax revenues and non-tax revenues of government of Andhra Pradesh, tax revenues 57,000 crores, non-tax revenues another 3,000. So total it is 60,000 crores. So 60,000 crores is the resource base of the state government and its own 60,000 crores. It is the money which the state government was able to mobilize from the tax and non-tax sources. And another 50,000 crores or 51,000 crores it got from the central government. Total it will be 60 plus 50, 1,11,000 crores. 1,11,000 crores is the revenues which are available in the hands of government of Andhra Pradesh to be spent on various heads in Andhra Pradesh. Thank you.